From the moment we are born, we seek shelter. It's an instinct as old as humanity itself. We long for a place to feel safe, to rest, to be ourselves. A sanctuary where we can find peace and comfort. This basic human need is universal. It transcends time and culture. No matter where we come from, the desire for a home is a common thread. Throughout history, humans have sought shelter in caves, in trees, and eventually in structures they built themselves homes. These early shelters were the foundation of our journey. The story of homes is the story of humanity itself. It's a narrative of survival, adaptation, and progress. It's a story of innovation, creativity, and our evolving relationship with the world around us. Each home tells a tale of its time. Join us now as we journey through time, exploring the fascinating evolution of homes, from ancient shelters to modern marvels. Our journey begins millions of years ago, with our early ancestors seeking refuge in caves. These natural shelters were crucial for survival. These natural shelters provided protection from the elements and predators. They were the first step in our quest for a safe haven. As humans evolved, so did their homes. We moved from caves to more complex structures, from simple tents made of animal hides, which allowed for mobility and adaptability, to sturdier structures of wood and stone, providing better protection and permanence. We constantly sought ways to improve our dwellings. Each new material and technique marked a step forward. Each innovation reflects not just our ingenuity, but also our changing needs and aspirations. Homes became more than just shelters. They became expressions of our identity. The evolution of homes is a testament to our enduring quest for comfort, security, and a place to call our own. It's a journey that continues to this day as we keep redefining what it means to be home. Our journey now takes us to the vibrant city of Lahore, Pakistan, a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Known as the City of Gardens, Lahore boasts a rich history spanning over a millennium. Its lush gardens, such as the famous Shalimar Gardens, are a testament to the city's dedication to beauty and tranquility. This ancient city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving its indelible mark on its architecture, culture, and people. From the Mughal Empire to the British colonial period, Lahore's buildings tell stories of grandeur and resilience. Lahore's streets are a living testament to its layered past, with architectural styles from Mughal grandeur to colonial elegance coexisting seamlessly. Walking through these streets, one can feel the pulse of history intertwined with the vibrancy of modern life. The homes of Lahore tell a captivating story of cultural fusion and architectural ingenuity. Each home, whether traditional or modern, reflects the city's unique blend of old and new. From the majestic Havelis of the old city to the modern bungalows and high-rises dotting the landscape, each home reflects the city's evolving identity. These structures are not just buildings, they are symbols of Lahore's dynamic spirit and rich heritage. Walk through the narrow, winding alleys of the walled city and you'll be transported back in time. These alleys, with their labyrinthine paths, hold secrets of centuries past. The elaborately carved wooden doors and intricately designed balconies of traditional Havelis whisper tales of a bygone era. Each carving and design element is a piece of art, showcasing the craftsmanship of Lahore's artisans. These homes, often built around courtyards, served as both private sanctuaries and spaces for social gatherings, reflecting the importance of community in Lahore's social fabric. The courtyards were places where families gathered, children played, and stories were shared, embodying the essence of communal living. The true beauty of Lahore's homes lies not just in their aesthetics, but also in the stories they hold. These stories are woven into the very fabric of the buildings, creating a rich tapestry of history and culture that is unique to this city. Behind the ornate facades and within the time-worn walls lie secrets whispered through generations. Each crack and crevice tells a tale of resilience, of families who have weathered the storms of time. These homes witnessed history unfold, absorbing the joys, sorrows, and dreams of the families that lived within. The antique furniture and family portraits are silent witnesses to the passage of time, each piece holding a story of its own. Every brick, every archway holds a memory, a fragment of the past, waiting to be discovered. The intricate brickwork and detailed architecture are not just elements of design, but are also keepers of countless memories. Step inside one of these historic homes and you'll find yourself transported back in time. The traditional decor and the way sunlight filters through old wooden windows create an atmosphere that is both nostalgic and enchanting. The scent of spices lingering in the air, the echoes of laughter in the courtyards, the stories etched into the very fabric of the building. They all paint a vivid picture of life in old Lahore. The rich textures and traditional kitchen setups are a testament to the way of life that has been preserved through the ages. Imagine families gathered around courtyards, sharing stories under the starlit sky. These gatherings were not just social events, but were also moments of bonding and cultural exchange, strengthening the community ties. Picture artisans meticulously carving intricate designs on wooden beams, their skills passed down through generations. These artisans were not just craftsmen, but were also artists, creating masterpieces that have stood the test of time. These homes are more than just structures. They are living, breathing chronicles of Lahore's vibrant past. They are repositories of memories, culture and history, each one contributing to the rich mosaic that is Lahore. Section 4. The Mughal-era Gardens of Paradise. Our journey through Lahore's homes takes us to the Mughal era, a period of unparalleled architectural splendor. The Mughals, known for their love of beauty and grandeur, transformed Lahore into a city of gardens and palaces. Their homes, inspired by Persian and Islamic architecture, were characterized by intricate details, spacious courtyards, and a harmonious blend of nature and design. One of the most striking features of Mughal homes was their emphasis on gardens. These weren't just spaces for leisure, but were seen as earthly representations of paradise, reflecting the Mughal belief in the interconnectedness of nature and spirituality. Courtyards were transformed into lush gardens with fragrant flowers, cascading fountains and shady trees, providing a respite from the scorching Lahore sun. The Mughal era left an indelible mark on Lahore's architectural landscape, and their influence can still be seen in the city's love for greenery and open spaces. Section 5. The colonial shift, from courtyards to verandas. The winds of change swept through Lahore in the 18th century with the arrival of the British. The colonial era ushered in a new chapter in the city's architectural narrative, as British sensibilities began to influence local designs. While traditional homes continued to be built, a new style of architecture emerged, blending Mughal elements with Victorian and European influences. One of the most noticeable changes was the shift from inward-facing courtyards to outward-facing verandas. These covered porches, often adorned with intricate fretwork and supported by graceful columns, became a defining feature of colonial homes. Verandas provided a space to enjoy the cooler evening breeze, socialize with neighbors, and observe the bustling street life while maintaining a degree of privacy. This architectural adaptation reflects the changing social dynamics of the time, as well as the British fascination with the exotic East.